This drone video is looking west towards the slump at the foot of Galpha Point. We're now flying directly towards it, and eventually we'll pass over a series of boulders that have been exposed by the seafloor being uplifted by the slump. We also notice that there are quite a number of people walking on the feet here. So we continue flying west along the beach towards Bolio Point, and in the very distance, that would be the tip of Cedros, or the end of Trinidad. So we now turn around and we start flying eastwards back onto the slump, and we see there is a very sharp change from the boulders to the sand. The boulders again where waves have been washing away the clays. Big feature sticking out is a mass of oil sand, and the individuals with the orange jumpsuits, they are picking up who knows what.